Hi everyone, my name is Lindy and welcome back to my channel, Faith, Family, and Books. I have something different tonight that I'm going to share with you all. I've done this about a year ago, and I'm trying to pick it up again. It is a subscription box, and this one is called Petal. Now, if you can tell by the name, Petal, what's the one thing that you think of? Women, of course. It is a monthly subscription box for women that are on the time of the month. Now, I thought this was perfect to do right now because FYI, it is that time for me and this arrived perfectly. So I'm excited to get in here and share with y'all what's in here. Honestly, I have no idea what's in here because it's my first one to ever get, but I'm excited. So it's called Petal, and it is a monthly subscription box. It says no leaks, no odors, no worries. So let's open it up and see what they sent. I thought it'd be so perfect to open this box in my pajamas. I just recently showered, and so if you're looking at me, my hair is wet. That is why I'm in my pajama shirt. Well, it's not really a pajama shirt, but I just put this on, and I'm in my pajama bottoms. You can't see them. So I was like, I'm gonna open this in my pajamas. Perfect. So let's see what they sent. Ooh. Well, when I open it up, you see a whole bunch of pads, which, you know, for women's time of the month, that's always good. I think that's so funny. You get some little petals. So we have, oh, that's all that's in here. It's just a bunch. I thought there'd be more. Oh my goodness, I thought there'd be like little stuff. That's all there. No. That's all that's in here is just a bunch of. That's literally all that's in here is just a bunch of pads. That's it. I guess when I ordered this, I must have been really confused because I thought they sent you like candles and like tea and, you know, like little, I hope you feel better, but there, you know, there's just a bunch of pads. Oh, and some panty liners. That is it. Well, if you ever wanted to Petal, you get a box of pads in the mail a month. I'm gonna have to call this company and see what's up because honestly, I'm really confused. So I hope you enjoyed this really funny subscription box. I was really misinformed or really confused. We're gonna call that company tomorrow. So if you like this, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed. I do a bunch of different stuff, and I guess I'm going to be showing pads once a month. So everyone has a great evening, and until next time. Bye, friends.